guys, we're going to do a startup vlog on the bobcat. I don't know which model it is, but we're going to show you guys. Up here. Watch that muffler. There she go. Here we go. Ready, starting. There you go. There's a cold startup on a bobcat t-shirt too. This one is dead, that one is broken, so we're going to go to the 4-stroke. It's Polaris with a weed tank. I would drive this, but I can't. Okay, new cold startup. This one's 2003. Let's start it up. Okay. We're gonna start it up again. Let's go. Guys, we're going to place you by the muffler because people do muffler shots a lot. Let's see how that would be. Yeah, I can't do that. Okay, I'm trying to start it again. Guess we'll start it. Well, that sucks. I'll place you here. There we go. That sucks. That's a cold start on the Polaris. Cold start on this lawn mower. See if she'll start. What I'm gonna do is without the choke too. Lawnmower basically never starts without the choke. Okay. Here we go. Face you. Put you there.